Hello guys, I'm Shanmugapriya, lecturer in SNS College of Allied Health Science. Today we are going to see about neurotransmitters. So basically, neurotransmitters are language of brain. These are body's chemical messengers. They carry message from one nerve cell to target cell. The target cell may be the next nerve cell and muscle cell or gland. These messages help you to move your limbs, feel sensations, keep your heart beating, process and respond to all the information your body receives from other internal parts of brain, body and environment. Your body has vast network of nerves. Your nervous system that sends and receives electrical signals from nerve cells to their target cells throughout the body. It controls everything from your mind to your muscles and organ functions. Neurotransmitters are responsible for all this communication in your body. Definition: neurotransmitters are chemical agents which are released by neurons in the sympathetic synaptic cleft to rapidly stimulate or inhibit postsynaptic neurons, excitatory neurotransmitters, and inhibitory neurotransmitters. Properties of neurotransmitters: it is synthesized in presynaptic neuron, localized to vesicles in presynaptic neuron, released from presynaptic neuron under physiological condition, rapidly removed from synaptic cleft by update, presence of a receptor on postsynaptic neuron, binding to receptors elicits a biological response. Types: excitatory, glutamate, aspartate, nitric oxide; inhibitory, glycine, GABA, serotonin, and dopamine, both acetylcholine or norepinephrine. So, excitatory neurotransmitters have excitatory effects on neurons. This means they increase likelihood that the neuron will fire an action potential. Inhibitory neurotransmitters, these inhibitory effects on neuron. This means decrease likelihood that the neuron will fire action. Glycine, GABA, serotonin, dopamine, both acetylcholine and norepinephrine. Classification: acetylcholine, monoamines, amino acid neurotransmitters, miscellaneous neurotransmitters, peptide as neurotransmitters, VY, okay, nitric oxide. In monoamines, we have dopamine, noradrenaline, 5 hydroxytryptamine, amino acid, glutamate, and aspartate. Miscellaneous endocannabinoids, purines, peptide, neuropeptide Y, substance P, vasointestinal peptide. How do they work? Neurotransmitters are packaged in a synaptic vesicles. These synaptic vesicles fuse with the cell membrane and release the neurotransmitters, which cross a fluid gap called synaptic cleft. These neurotransmitters land on receptors sites of another nerve cell and passes on the nerve impulse. This happens very quickly. More than 100 transmitters can have been identified, and some neurotransmitters include acetylcholine, noradrenaline, dopamine, GABA, serotonin. 7. Process. Neurotransmitters are synthesized from precursor under influence of enzymes. It is stored in vesicles. Neurotransmitter molecules leak from vesicles. Action potential cause vesicles to fuse with synapses and release neurotransmitters. Some of it bind with autoreceptors. The rest of it bind to the postsynaptic receptors. Released neurotransmitters are deactivated either by reuptake or enzyme dehydration. So, in this section, we have seen about neurotransmitters, its definition, properties of neurotransmitters, types, which includes excitatory, inhibitory and both excitatory and inhibitory type. Classification and then its working principle and 7 process. Thank you.